Good morning, dear students. I welcome you all, on the first day of the fourth week. I hope that all of you are having good health, great time, and happy mood. You will be having full safety at home. Today, the topic of our first lesson is pronoun. But before coming to this topic, I would like to briefly define and discuss parts of speech. Parts of speech are the basic building blocks that help to learn grammar. These are the building blocks of the language. Think of them like the parts of a house. When we want to build a house, we use concrete to make the foundations or base. We use bricks to make the walls. We use window frames to make the windows, and door frames to make the doorways. And we use cement to join them all together. Each part of the house has its own job. And when we want to build a sentence, we use the different types of words. Every word, in the English language, falls under one of the parts of speech. The more important parts of speech are nouns, pronouns, verbs, adverbs, prepositions, adjectives, conjunctions, and interjections. A sentence can be made up of any number of words. Grammar describes how we put words together. Each word in a sentence belongs to a particular set or class, depending on how it is used. These classes are called parts of speech. Last week, we discussed noun in detail as the first part of speech, and today we are going to discuss pronoun and its types. It would not be a difficult task for you to understand because you are already familiar with it. Before starting it, I would tell you the objectives of today's lesson. At the end of the lesson, the students must be able to define pronoun and its kinds, identify functions of pronouns, know the difference between singular and plural pronouns, identify pronoun case, subjects, objects, possessives, identify pronoun and antecedent clarity. Use each pronoun correctly in sentences. A pronoun is a word that is used instead of a noun, or noun phrase. Pronouns refer to either a noun that has already been mentioned, or to a noun that does not need to be named specifically. In other words, a pronoun is defined as a word or phrase that is used as a substitution for a noun or noun phrase. Pronouns are short words, and can do everything that nouns can do, and are one of the building blocks of a sentence. Why we use pronouns. Pronouns are words that are used to take the place of nouns in sentences. They usually refer back to a noun used earlier in the sentence, and they must match the number, point of view, and gender of the noun. We use pronouns to make sentences clearer, less awkward, and smoother. Types of pronouns. On this slide you see the types of pronouns. There are several different kinds of pronouns, including personal pronouns, I, you, he, she, it, we, they, me, him, her, us, and them. Interrogative pronouns, what, which, who, whom, and whose. Possessive pronouns, mine, ours, yours, his, hers, its, theirs. Demonstrative pronouns, this, that, these, and those. Relative pronouns, that, which, who, whom, what, and whose. Indefinite pronouns, someone, everyone, none, several, etc. Reflexive pronouns, myself, himself, herself, themselves, ourselves, etc. Reciprocal pronouns, each other, one another. The first type of pronoun which we are going to discuss is personal pronoun. A personal pronoun is a short word we use as a simple substitute for the proper name of a person. Each of the English personal pronouns shows us the grammatical person, gender, number, and case of the noun it replaces. Personal pronouns in subjective case are he, she, it, I, we, you, they. They in objective case are him, her, it, me, us, you, them. These pronouns in possessive case are his, hers, mine, ours, yours, theirs. I am trying to show the difference between singular and plural pronouns with the help of this slide. In subjective case, I, he, she and it are the singular pronouns while we, you, they are plural pronouns. And in objective case, me, him, her and it are singular while us, you, and them are plural pronouns. Indefinite pronouns, such as everybody, either, none, and something, do not refer to a specific person, or thing, and typically, refer to an unidentified, or unfamiliar person, or thing. 1. Does anyone know address of the minister? 2. Do you have anything to eat? 3. He can choose anywhere. In these sentences, the underlined words are indefinite pronouns. These are the indefinite pronouns: another, everyone, nothing, both, all, anybody, everything, few, one, any, anyone, little, other, many, more, anything, much, somebody, others, most, each, neither, someone, several, none, either, nobody, something, some, such, everybody, no one. Next is the list of pronouns related to people, things and places. On this slide, I share the list of indefinite pronouns. For people, we use someone, somebody, anyone, anybody, no one, nobody, everyone, everybody. For things, we use something, nothing, anything, everything. For places, we use somewhere, nowhere, anywhere, everywhere. After all these definitions and examples of the first two kinds of pronouns, I would share worksheets and one online quiz. You can view your score after attempting the online quiz. This is the end of today's presentation. In the next presentation, we will discuss all the remaining pronouns. Take care, stay home and work hard. Goodbye.